religion. This festival celebrates my birth anniversary. I am son of God Shiva and Goddess Parvati. People celebrate this festival every year. The festival starts on Shukla Chaturthi, which is the fourth day of the waxing moon period. People brought a clay statue and offer me modak, durva grass and coconut bread flowers. They do my aarti and sing devotional songs. A huge crowd of people can be seen for Ganesh Visarjan. People can sing and dance. People can be heard saying to me, Ganpati Bappa Moria, पुढच्या वर्षी लवकर या.
Hello everyone, I am Shriya Yogesh Pingde. I am studying in Signet Public School, JSPM Hadapsar. I am Standard 3rd Division Diamond. Thank you.
Hi dear friends, my name is Mrinay Pathak. Today we are going to learn one story of Lord Ganesha. One day, Bal Ganesh and Kartikeya, his brother Kartikeya, went to the forest and found one fruit. Then quarrel in between. Then they come to Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati, and Lord Shiva says, I gave you challenge. Then he said, you make whole world of round, 3 rounds. Then Kartikeya hopped to his pet peacock and fly to make 3 rounds of whole world. Then the Lord Ganesha's vehicle is very small rat. Then he have an idea. Then he pradakshina to his parents, and when asked by Shiva, then Bal Ganesh says, my parents are whole world. That's why I make round of you. The moral of the story is we can handle any situation of help of wisdom. And most important lesson is love and respect to our parents. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. Bye. Thank you. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakroti Samaprava Nirvigram Krumadeva Sarvakarishu Sarvada. Hello everyone. On the occasion of a Ganesh festival, I, Miss Aditi Sandeep Rajwe from Standard 3rd, I would like to tell you one story about Lord Ganesha. The great freedom fighter Lokmanya Tilak started a Ganesh festival in 1893 in India. Since then, we all celebrate this festival with lot of grace. Lord Ganesha has 12 different names, out of which one is Ekadanta. Ekadanta means having one tooth. Let's understand the story how Ganpati got this name. Ekadanta. Once when Maharishi Vyas decided to write a story of Mahabharata, he needed somebody to help in writing this story. He requested Lord Ganesha to do so. Lord Ganesha agreed, but only on condition that Maharishi Vyas has to narrate the story of Mahabharata without any break. Vyas agreed. While narrating the story, Maharishi Vyas was very fast. Due to that, pen of Ganesha broke down. But to continue writing, Lord Ganesha cut his one tooth and kept writing and completed popular epic Mahabharata. Since then, Lord Ganesha has only one tooth, and so his name is Ekadanta. Lord Ganesha is a Sukhakarta. Sukhakarta means he gives us blessings and brings happiness. He is a Vignaharta. Vignaharta means he takes away all the sorrows, pain, problems of us. Ganesha is a Lord of wisdom. On this Ganesh festival, let's pray to God to take away Vigna of a COVID pandemic and help all of us to have our routine, healthy and happy life. Thank you.
Namaste friends, my name is समर्थ जितेंद्र आंबड़े, क्लास सेकेंड से अग्री। आज गणेश चतुर्थी है, यानी कि गणेश जी का जन्मदिन। इस उत्सव को सबसे पहले लोकमान्य तिलक ने शुरू किया था। गणेश जी बुद्धि की देवता है। कहा जाता है कि गणेश जी को माता पार्वती ने अपनी शक्तियों से बनाया था। गणेश जी को मोदक बहुत पसंद है। दुर्वा और लाल फूलों से गणेश जी की पूजा की जाती है। किसी भी कार्य से पहले गणेश जी को पूजा जाता है। अगले 10 दिनों तक यह उत्सव बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। अनंत चतुर्थी के दिन गणेश जी को जल में विसर्जित किया जाता है। थैंक यू। हैप्पी गणेश चतुर्थी। गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
If I celebrate today, I am going to tell about the story of Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya. Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya are the two sons of Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati. Ganesha is blessed by Lord Shiva to be worshipped as Vigneshwara. In Hindu mythology, Lord Ganesha is Prathama Puja, that is first born. One day, Ganesha and Kartikeya were playing. The received is special fruit of the gods. They were not ready to share the fruit. Their parents, Lord Shiva and Parvati, have an idea and said that the first one comes around the world race will get this fruit. Kartikeya climbed on his peacock and he set off to beat the fruit. But Ganesh was worried about the race. His vehicles, the mouse, does not have wings. Later he decided and came up parents and he took 3 circles around them. Parents surprised and asked Ganesha. Ganesha said, my parents mean the whole world to me. His parents were very happy and Ganesha
and he got the fruit. The moral of the story: use wisdom at the right time and right place. Second, respect your parents. Thank you, ma'am.